There are not many absolutes in life, but paying your taxes is something that you must do. Well, Meisa, you should do anyway.
Yes.
Tell us a little bit about millennialtax.com.
Millennial Tax is a tax preparation and tax strategy firm for solopreneurs, home-based businesses, and startups.
I think what's tough with taxes, why people get so freaked out about it, is the IRS and tax code is so complex.
Yes.
So tell us some ways to, one, avoid an audit and some tricks of the trade.
Well, one, today with the IRS algorithms and technology becoming so much more advanced, anything can trigger an IRS audit. Actually, Jill, I got audited this year because I changed my address. So if anything changes drastically from year over year and the IRS recognizes that, they can send you a letter, which is a correspondence audit. So anything from large amounts of business deductions to a change that doesn't seem right with them, an voluminous amount of exemptions can trigger an IRS audit.
Now, if you do have to satisfy debt with the IRS, it's pretty tough. There's a lot of unemployed people, particularly the millennials.
Yes.
What do you do?
Call them right away. Call them right away and set up a payment plan with the IRS. As long as you can commit to $25 to $50 a month, the IRS is willing to work with you on a payment plan. If you do not call them, literally IRS penalties and interest can ruin your life.
Now let's talk about the millennials. A lot of people have a lot of college debt coming out. The unemployment rate is really high with the millennials. What do you do in terms of savings overall and satisfying your taxes?
Well, if millennials are working while they're in school, whether it's babysitting money or a part-time job or full-time, they should absolutely, one, start paying their debt as incremental as they can while they're in. And if they have to file taxes, check with their parents, because sometimes dependent students have a different situation. Check with the parents to see if they're required to file a tax return. And again, call the IRS and work out a plan.
Tell us a little about Millennial Tax. Is it an advisory service? Are there some tricks and tools on the website?
We do have some free information that people can download to learn how to audit proof their business. My blog is very active, so I've got funny things on there and things that they can implement right away. A little bit more about Millennial Tax. We work with established solopreneurs and home-based businesses, individuals between $250,000 a year up to $4 million in revenue, and really helping them maximize a tax strategy for their business.
Well, it seems very relatable, and I think that's what's very key about it.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you very much, Meisa. From the Nasdaq MarketSite for TheStreet in New York, I'm Jill Malandrino.